on the drive out to the secret spot in Mexico. Oh, God. Okay, so you guys have been asking for this for the longest. So you know what? I'm gonna give it to you, man. You guys have been asking for it. It's your boy, Mr. Random. And guess what I got behind me? I got the Charger SRT8, and I got the 2007 Ford Crown Victoria P71. You guys want to see another rematch between both of these cars, and you know what, man, I've been thinking about it, and it's long overdue. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do a rematch with the Ford Crown Victoria and the Dodge Charger. This second things you guys were complaining about, it said, hey, Mr. Random, how you never did a rolling race? Crown Vics are the kings of the highway, man. They're the kings of long distance acceleration. Why didn't you do a roll race? Hey, man, I just want to tell you guys to calm down, man. First of all, it was the first time I raced any of them, and I didn't really have the luxury of having too much time. But anyways, we're going to do a roll race today. We're going to do a 30-mile-an-hour roll. We're going to do a 40-mile-an-hour roll. So you know what? We're going to bring out another driver. We're going to bring out a professional driver because, you know, in my position, I can't really be doing races and stuff like that anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and hire a professional to get behind the wheel of the Crown Vic. And we're going to put this to the end. We're going to put this to sleep. This entire argument between the Crown Vic and the SRT8 once and for all. I'm not doing this again. So without further ado, let me introduce you guys to the new driver, and let's get right into it. I am thoroughly impressed with that result. I did not expect that. I thought the Charger would have had the Vic from right from the get-go, like fly off the bat. Wow.